Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's get back to work on the C10 Chevy. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, the old B is super dirty, so that's what happens when you drive it all the time. Anyway, I'm going to give it a bath. There we go. It's all shined up for another, I don't know, undetermined period of time.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises.
The box is going out to get professionally blasted. That'll save a lot of work. Here's my buddy Rick's truck. This thing is nice.
You may need these things to unload it, so I'll leave mine for now.
Oh yeah.
This is a pretty nice bed, so it should clean up very nicely.
When we get over there, we'll put that nigger rig on. That strap I made. And that way, when we get it back over here, we just take tractor and lift it on.
Alright, we decided we're going to go ahead and replace the box sides on this. They seem to be, you know, a little beat up on the outside, and you can get new ones reasonable. So we're going to cut the weld off of these, and then they're mainly bolted on. But we got to get rid of the weld first. So here we go.
tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is full of things I won't forget.
Yeah.
Use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a
That looks good. And then when you get the new sides, it'll, that'll really make for a nice finished product.
Alright, just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below.
Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Don't forget to come back next time.